Venture if you can.
Well, hey, welcome back to our journey to some beautiful Colorado leaves and apparently a helicopter over there. Waking up here in Idaho, where last night had an amazing view of the stars. It was fantastic. Even got some captured. That was in the prior episode. So gonna get this day started and get some breakfast. Hey, I'm getting better. And get out of here because I think I know where I'm going. All right, let's get going. Isn't it absolutely fantastic here in Idaho? If you ever come to Idaho, man, I totally recommend it. Especially this part, the part on the east side. All right, let's get going with this adventure. Can you guys believe this is Idaho? I mean, in your mind, did you imagine this amazingly beautiful place to be Idaho? Wow. So the road I'm on is Idaho Route 28. So if you want to find out where this amazing place is, that's it. All right, let's keep this adventure going. Well, that was very unexpectedly deserted highway and amazing drone fun. Isn't Idaho fantastic? Let's go find some more of it. You know, as humans, we pick up habits so easily. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. In this scenario, I picked up the good habit of packing a sandwich. So now that it's lunchtime, I don't have to like push the camper up and make that and make it very challenging. I can enjoy this sandwich and this amazing, amazing view. All right, I'm gonna eat some food and then we're gonna keep going towards Wyoming. Let's go. All right, so all of that amazing footage for the past many minutes of this story was all Idaho Route 28. Fantastic, 100% recommend driving that. It was great. Okay, now that I've showed you guys this and definitely pitched Idaho way more than the potatoes, let's get into Wyoming. Elevation fun here. Well, Idaho, this is goodbye for a little while. I cannot express how wonderful it was visiting you. But let's see what's next. So it's amazing to be back in Wyoming, the state that houses my favorite national park to ride my bike, Grand Tetons. So we gotta go check it out, right? Let's go.
If you could be anything you want to bet, you just point in my eye.
So I'm very excited to be riding here today. The last time I rode up here, I think was in July, I think. So it's September now. It's beautiful. I didn't think it would be this warm, so I was so close. I was like, all right, gotta get this ride on. So let's go get this ride on in my favorite national park to ride in so far, Grand Tetons National Park. Let's go. Now, I always just forget how amazingly beautiful this ride is until I'm doing it again. Wow, Grand Tetons. Let's go. You know, I'm not usually the guy that wears like the, the band t-shirt to the show, but I love the Grand Tetons. I couldn't help myself. All right, so that's 10 miles. It's time to turn around. The last time I was here in July, there was just like one hill the same way I went that I had to like walk up a little bit. This time I rode up it. I'm feeling a little proud of myself right now. Okay, let's head back because we got more adventuring to do today. That was the hill. Pretty steep, right? Isn't this just an amazing ride? Wow. Hello. So I just got passed by a bunch of e-bikes. So is that cheating? What do you guys think? Well, that was amazing. 20 miles. All right, let's get packed up and get out of here. Well, that was quite a day today, wasn't it? Woke up in that amazing place in Idaho, drove through all those great mountains, and then into the Tetons and that great bike ride. And then finally, after it took a hot minute to find somewhere, because Verizon out here in this part of the country is not super amazing. A lot of 3G, but not a lot of 4G. Thankfully, I found some. Made camp and even got a perfectly flat spot. Gonna get some dinner here in a minute and then set up the GoPro to try to get some stars again. Hopefully it'll be just as good or better than the one I just got. But whew, I can't believe that was all just one day. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. morning. Talk about waking up at just the right moment. Did you see those stars last night? Wow, that was an amazing capture. I'm very impressed by this GoPro. Whew, all right. It's Monday. That means it's a glorious work day. It's very early here. It's around 6. So it's time to get some breakfast going and enjoy this beautiful sunrise. All right, let's go. Okay, that Monday workday is over. And this was a nice spot. I wanted to get an up high perspective so we could take a look. Looked pretty nice. But let's go see what kind of adventure awaits a little further south. Let's go. I didn't think I was gonna scare them like that with the drone. They were pretty scared and also very fast and very bright. All right, let's keep going. So when I was in the Tetons, the way towards Colorado had 2 different ways. One was through Lander in Wyoming and the other was through Utah. And for some reason, I don't know, I just got the feeling that I should go through Lander, and because I've never been this way, maybe this is why. Look at this nice view and the sun that's beating me up. All right, more amazing adventures and world out here for us to see. Let's go. Weren't those leaves amazing in Wyoming? This got into this town called Rock City, Rock something. I don't know, I should really probably learn these things, but I'm gonna happily go do a workout and get a shower in, and then let's see where we end up later. That was a pretty heavy workout. I did not show you guys, but I'm sore and hungry, so let's go find some dinner. Okay, let's go get some sushi. Isn't that awesome? So the definition of good sushi is when your nose is running, right? All right, let's go find some camping. So today was another amazing day. You know, it's funny, ever since I came out west, like really came out west and explored a couple of years ago, that was the first time I'd ever actually seen the Milky Way. And now I can't unsee it. Like right now, it's like right up there, right above me, you know. It's amazing. If you've never seen the Milky Way with your own eyes, I very much recommend coming to Utah, Wyoming, Montana, Oregon, like all these wonderful places that just have such little light pollution as compared to the east side of the country where there's a lot more light pollution. There are also apps that will show you where the light pollution is. Like me personally, I use this one called Gaia, which is a good one. That also brings me to my next point of, you know, when you're boondocking like all the time, like I am, how do I find these spots? Where is it legal for me to do these things? Well, there's a couple different ways. The place I'm at tonight is BLM land. Being, you know, a legal status in the United States, you can legally stay in the same spot on BLM land for 2 weeks. No reservation, no nothing, same exact spot. If you move, you can stay continually forever in BLM land. So again, apps like Gaia have that. And so also the Cracker Barrel I mentioned before, just things like that. But BLM land is fantastic. I even got a pretty level spot tonight, but I feel like I'm rambling on. Anyway, just really wanted to say, Wyoming is fantastic. We're on the way to Colorado to see some amazing aspen trees. But this is going to be the end of this episode. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys up on the next one. Hope you have a great day and adventure if you can. Bye. All right, that Monday workday is done. It's time for the